All right, language explorers, let's look at this Friday's Friday idiom. So driving me crazy. Oh, crazy. Yeah, crazy, like her, crazy. Definitely, yeah. So really annoying. Annoying. Oh, annoying, saying and doing ludicrous things. And annoying. Oh no. You're driving me crazy. You just say silly things. Say strange stuff. Driving me crazy. Shh. Yeah. He always drives her crazy because he says funny things. He says funny things. Drives her crazy. Ooh, yeah. But I like to drive her crazy by saying funny, strange things. Strange things. Yeah, it's like, what? What do you mean? That makes no sense. Since when? Yeah. He's driving her crazy. Driving her crazy by saying silly things. Yeah, he's driving her crazy. I say ridiculous stuff. I thought he was nice, but it seems that he is driving her crazy. Yeah, see, I like to say funny things in Spanish. And it often annoys her. So I always drive her crazy. Yeah, just saying crazy stuff. How cool is that? Sometimes she drives me crazy. So sometimes I drive her crazy by saying silly things that make no sense. Yeah, it's funny, but that machine can drive you crazy when you hear the same sound all the time. Yeah, or the same sound. Drives you crazy. Ugh. Yeah, so these long roads are driving me crazy. Yeah. When do they end? Where is the finish line? When do they end? All this walking and talking, all this travelling, it's driving me crazy. When do we arrive? When are we supposed to be there? When are we supposed to be there? All this walking is driving me crazy. Oh. How cool is that, language explorers? Yeah. So, can you use driving me crazy in a sentence? Can you write it in the comments below? And like the video, subscribe to the channel, more videos to come, more lessons to come. And you can find me on YouTube, Facebook and Telegram when you search for English with Adrian. Yeah. And Udemy too when you search for Adrian Nanchev. How cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.